Cozy Creations by Tish here. I thought today I'd share a little video of how I try to make a bloom. So we'll see if it works. The one I made yesterday didn't work. So I've already pre-mixed my resin, and I'm going to start with a center of the flower. This is like foil, and you mix it with just a little bit of resin and put it in the center to get the center of a flower. So I'm going to do 2 of these, maybe. So, and then we're going to pour some blue around the edge. Let me move around the edge of each of these coaster molds. I just love this blue. So I'm going to stop there and add some clear before I go any further so it doesn't take over the whole mold. And I'm not going to fill it quite all the way because I can do one of 2 things. I can take it out of the mold, or I can cover it with another color so that it really pops on the other side. So now let me pour blue in here. And then some clear. All right, I'm going to spray a little alcohol to pop some bubbles. And then I have pre-mixed some white resin to make the bloom, and I've tried 2 different kinds. Let's Resin Ocean White and Baltic Day Pure Soul Pigment Paste. They should both create the center of the flower. So I've let this sit for a while, and to make the bloom we're going to start in the center and we're going to just pour in a nice ring around the flower mold. We're going to let that sit for a minute and do the other one here. All right. Now I'm going to take, and you can see how it kind of started swelling up. So I'm going to take a little popsicle stick here, and I'm going to start in the center, and I'm going to go outward. To separate, to make flower petals inside. And then I'm going to come back here and go back into the center. We're going to give that just a little bit of a swirl. And you can already see some petals are turning out better than others. Like I said, this was a test, so we shall see what happens. So we'll do the same thing on this one. And I'm just wiping the excess off the paper towel. The real key is seeing how it looks on the other side once it's dry. One more and a little swirl. And then tomorrow I will show you the unmolding. Have a great day.